This is tutorial number 88, and it covers how to make a basic 5-star rim within SOLIDWORKS. Now to start off, make sure that you have the wheel or tire assembly open and the dish. Now make sure that the dish that's in here is the same that we're going to be editing over here, so that when we cut it out here, you're going to be able to see the result in the assembly over here. So first, let's go to the dish. Let's make it into the top view. Click the top plane. Click sketch, and let's start editing it. So let's click circle, and let's make one big circle and one small circle. Now click smart dimension, and let's dimension the inner one. Let's make it 230, and the outer one, just put a dimension on it and leave it. It just has to be outside of the part. Now let's click the line tool, and let's make two lines that are perpendicular to the circle. So click the point, wait for the yellow dotted lines, and follow them up. And do it again on the other side. Now click the smart dimensioning tool, and let's throw in a couple dimensions. Let's put the dimension in between these two. And let's make it 30 degrees. And let's make a dimension from here to here. And also do the same on the other side here so we can see how much we need to adjust. So we want to make these two equal, so just look at the two, add them together, divide by 2. 0.45 divided by 2, and now they're equally spaced on each side there. Now once we have that in there, let's click the 3-point arc, and let's join each side here. And let's delete the circles out here. Click extrude cut, make it a midplane, make it 50. Keep going with it until it eats up the whole assembly there. Click OK, and now we've made our first cut there. So now let's click circular pattern, click on the temporary axis, and we're going to make 5 of them, so they're going to be 72 degrees apart, 5 instances. Click OK, and now we've cut out a basic little 5-star there. Now if we switch over to our original assembly, you're going to see that now we have a basic little 5-star rim there. Now this is like a basic little 5-star dish, it's nothing special. It's just to show you the relationship between the two and just how to make one quickly and easily. Now let's take a look at it, what it looked like when we use PhotoWorks. So let's open up PhotoWorks. Zoom in a little bit. And with your PhotoWorks, let's render. Now with everyone, each one's going to be different depending on lighting and everything, but for the most part we should get pretty much the same results. And now we've made just a basic 5-star rim. And now we can go back to that other dish and we can keep editing it if we want to. You're able to change the angles, anything that you want. Now let's say that we want to put a little bit of a chamfer or a fillet or a fillet. So let's click the fillet, and let's go into these edges here and let's fillet them. And let's get a full preview. We like it, looks good. Click OK. And now if we switch back, we can see the one corner in here was we put the fillet on, and the rest are just regular. Now let's switch back again, and this time let's put a chamfer, and let's put it on the one right beside it. Click OK. Now we put a chamfer on those edges. Switch back. And now you can see that we have the chamfer there, the fillet there, and these ones are just normally from what we cut out before. So you're able to go back and forth, toggle, and you can just play with the design that you have. You can keep editing it, changing the angles, changing the curves, whatever you want. And this concludes our tutorial on how to make a basic 5-star rim.